Hey everybody, and welcome back to NWI RC. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and running this Hosim X07 four-wheel drive brushless truck. I bought this on Amazon recently. We're going to get down on the bench. We're going to open this up, check it out, and take it out for a rip. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this beast and let's see what we have here. All right, pull out the box. Here's what you're gonna get. Looks like it's packed very well. Here we got some adapters, some battery straps, it looks like. A colored instruction book. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and see how we're gonna unfold this. Just lift these things right up. Here you will have your truck. I mean, this packaging is really nice. I really do like the color of that blue. All right, let's see how we're gonna pop this thing out of here. Oh, it looks like she pops out maybe in the front here. Might have a little something, something. Nope, just pops right out. Inside this box here, underneath the car, looks like you will have your remote. And that is it for that. And here's your remote. Go ahead and open it up. Looks like it takes 4 AA batteries, which we'll get them installed. And let's get into the meat and potatoes of this X07. Man, that really does look cool. It's like a carrying bag for some spare parts. You got your some extra body clips. Looks like you got a brush to brush some stuff out. Got your cheap charger. Looks like a Dean's. It's like a connector for hooking up a couple batteries. Got some tools. You got your wrenches. Got some extra nuts. Wheel nuts, I should say. Like I said, it's probably a battery strap, probably for a second battery. I'm not sure. I've never owned one of these. And it looks like a 1-year warranty card. Look at that. Okay. Looks like you can scan that QR code and go directly to that. I'm not going to go in the instruction book right now because these are pretty simple to put together or to figure out, which I will show you in this video. All right, everybody, so as you know, we had just unboxed this, and here you go, another different view. They classify this as a 1/10 scale if you'd like to get a comparison, because to me, it could be close to a 1/10. It's in between 1/10 and 1/12 scale. Let me come over here and grab a 1/10 scale. Let's see. Everybody should know the Grasshopper. Okay, this was a kit that I built, and let's do a comparison. So as you can see, this is a buggy, of course, monster truck. Not too much difference. I would say that this one's much bigger. The Hosim X07 is much bigger. Now, if you want to take and compare to a 1/10 scale Trax Rustler, okay, there's a significant difference in size. I don't know if I can stand back and show you. There you go. Not too much difference, but yes, the Traxxas Rustler is wider. This one's a little bit more narrower, but you're comparing monster truck, buggy. Enough with that. So I would say it's in between a 1/10 and that. But otherwise, it feels pretty good. Looks like there's no foams in the tires, but that could be a good thing. We will see later. Might even help with flips. Maybe these will balloon up nice enough. Let's go ahead and take the body off and let's check it out. Okay, here's the inside of your body. Feels pretty good. Decent, flexible. Oh, and check this out. It comes with a second body. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, so you get a red body and a blue body. Check that out, man. That is nice. Again, I'm going to leave the protective film on them for now. All right, I like that. I like the color options. That's a good job there, Hosim. You send in 2 bodies. That way you can have one for the shelf as a shelf queen and the other one as your basher body. Also, here's what the inside looks like. Now this is my first time opening it, but there you go. Let's go ahead and check the plastics. Nice and flexible. Man, that'll take a beating, I guess. We'll see when we go to take it out. Suspension, springs, a little stiff, but I'm sure after time it'll break in. You got your brushless motor here. Looks like it has a, is that a combo? Yeah, it looks like a combo ESC and receiver, along with a, it looks like a, oh, check this out. Wow, I'm almost impressed here. It comes with 2 batteries. Guys, this is my first time opening this, so bear with me as I show you this. That explains that adapter during that unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this battery out. This would be a 2-cell LiPo battery. It's like it's a 2600 mAh battery. And here's the other one. Okay. So let me grab that adapter real quick and show you guys something. I'll go ahead and open the bag here. All right, there's the Dean's adapter. That will allow you to plug in both batteries. You would probably plug one in, let me see here. Okay, you gotta kinda line them up because it's just shrink taped here. So just line them up. You can see your 2 separate adapters. I was trying to figure out why it wasn't plugging in there, but line it up and there's one. And we'll take the other one. And there's 2. Check that out. Then you pop that in, plug this into your truck, and you're good to go. But it does include this balance port USB charger. You would want to charge obviously 1 battery at a time because that's all you could do is to plug it into your balance port. For those that don't know, this plugs into here, you plug this into your USB and let the batteries charge. Everybody knows that watches my channel. I don't use these USB chargers. I do have a Venom charger that will properly charge these, and I will not be charging 2 together. You would charge 1 battery at a time, which I have a 4-bank charger that can easily charge these 2 batteries with no problem. So yeah, wow, that is super, super cool. So I'm assuming 2 2S batteries would give you, I want to say it's wired, I want to say parallel, so I'm assuming you're just going to get more runtime because it's not going to turn it into 4S. It'll still be 2S even though you're using the 2 batteries. Okay, and next you have the remote. I did go ahead and install 4 AA batteries, which I use the Energizer rechargeable batteries. I also have the Amazon Basic rechargeable batteries and a proper charger to charge those. I like the rechargeable batteries because, as we know, batteries are expensive, and this Hosim X07 does not come with the AA batteries for the transmitter. I'm going to go ahead and get these on the charger, and we're going to take it outside, and from the looks of it, we have some snow on the ground. All right, everybody, as you can see, the batteries are fully charged and installed in the X07. What I had also done is took some electrical dielectric grease and just kind of put some in here in the balance ports, down in here in the servo, as you can see there, and where any holes are exposed, like by them caps and all that, to help keep it waterproofed, because I'm pretty sure this is not designed, and it's very important to use dielectrical grease, or if you want to just put a shrink tape over this anytime you're running in water, because I'm sure this is not all waterproof, but this here will help that. Not the greatest idea to use this dielectrical grease in dusty conditions, but as time goes on, I will wipe it somewhat clean, and maybe we'll use some hot glue or something to kind of cap those off in case we're running wet conditions. So far, this thing here is looking pretty good. I also want to mention that I do want to take the protective film off, because that is like probably the most satisfying part about unboxing an RC car. Let's go ahead and do that for you. And look at that body just shine. Wow. Perfect. Really nice looking bodies. My wife agrees with that. And for the second body, I went ahead and removed the film. And for you creators out there, I went ahead and mounted a GoPro mount. Which would be kind of nice maybe for some slow motion action. Okay, we're gonna start off with the blue body. Batteries are installed. We're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you how to power this on. You have your red button right there in the ESC that you will power on first. I'm gonna go ahead and power on the transmitter. Okay, let's go ahead and power on the truck. I'm gonna raise it up off the ground just a little bit just to ensure it doesn't take off on me. Just turn on the power button. Give it a little throttle. And you guys can see that the tires are spinning pretty true. I don't see a whole lot of wobbling. And that's on 2S. That's pretty impressive. They do got some functions on the remotes on the remote here that we will play with to see how she's tracking and how the throttle response is and everything, and kind of go from there. But we're gonna take this thing outside and see what this Hosim can do.